Hello dear Capricorns, welcome back to my channel and this is your reading for the first week of May. Is my mic on? Yes. So this is going to be your love and career reading. Your cards are already out. Let's see what's going on. Your monthly reading is already out. So if you want to go and check that out, it's already on my channel. Click on the video section. It's available for Aquarius and Capricorn. The rest will be uploaded on Mondays and Tuesdays. So let's see what's going to happen this week for you. If you want to know more about the personal readings, if you want to book any reading, ritual or counseling session, please stay tuned till the end. I will give out more information about it. So let's start with your career. You've got the 8 of Wands and the 5 of Suns. Well, first of all, I do see that mm, you are worried about a certain outcome. Like there's a fear energy, right? It could be that you're starting a new job, it could be that you're starting a new business, going for higher studies, something new is happening, or maybe a new position as well. Now, at best, the outcome is uncertain. You don't know how to handle it, so you are very much fearful about it. Also, it could be that where you're applying, there is a lot of tough competition. So, if you're eagerly waiting for to hear from a college or from a company, rest assured you're going to hear a positive news. But because I do see that no matter how tough the competition is, you are going to come out as successful, right? So that means you are going to get that job or position or that into that college or that client if you have your business, right? But make sure that after you receive such a success, after you achieve such a I don't know, after you receive such a success or achieve such a success, it is a tongue twister, by the way. You can start saying it and see if you get it right or not. So you are going to achieve a success. Please do not get overconfident about it because that can backfire. I do see some people are very close to that opportunity, but then they start telling people about it, right? They're like, oh, I got so much profit, my business is going really well, or I got into that college, or I've heard from that college, or I've got that opportunity. What happens is then you attract jealousy, attract evil eye, right? So please try to stay humble throughout the situation. First week is going to be very good for you, plus, but do not boast about it to anyone, right? Keep it hush hush, or at least be happy about it, be proud of yourself, but not over proud as well. Let's see what's happening in your personal life now. You have got the neophyte and the 6 of Suns. I do see that you are again overthinking in your personal life as well. It could be multiple reasons. Those who are single right now are worried, when will I get married, or how will I get married, when will I get a partner, right? So I do see that those who are single are now ready to get married, ready to settle down, ready to go back home. If you have a job which has made you stay away from home for a very long time, you will be now going back home in the first week, probably for holidays or a short stay at home. Those who are already in a relationship are looking to get married in the future, right? If you are already married and you were not able to spend time with your family or your spouse, this is the time when you will be making out more time to spend with your family. So time is very crucial. You spending time and thinking about your family is also very crucial around this time, right? I also see that people who were waiting for reconciliation to happen, there is somebody who's now coming back into your life. Probably this person took a break because they wanted to achieve certain goals. It's like warriors winning something and coming back home, right? It could be you who was going back to that person because you took a break because you wanted to work on yourself or achieve certain goals that you had. So some sort of reconciliation will also be happening. I also see there was a physical distance or emotional distance between the two of you, especially physical distance I see. So it could be that you or somebody else especially traveling to see you, right? Especially traveling to come and see you, which is, I think, huge, right? Otherwise, people just pick up the phone and they call. But this person is making sure that they are face to face with you, spend more time with you. So this is going to be very good week for you, whether regards to your career or love. So if you guys think this is exactly what is happening in your life and you guys resonated with it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Please do comment and let me know that yes, this is exactly happening in your life. Do comment if you want to claim the positive energies of this reading. I claim these energies. I manifest these energies. so that it reaches you faster. And now for all those who would like to book a reading with me, those who don't, you can skip this part. And if you want to book a reading with me, please stay tuned. I have various services available like personal readings, rituals, and counseling sessions as well. I also have multiple packages where you will be given free remedies as well as to see where you're blocked. So if you're single and you think that, I don't know when I'm going to find the right partner, what is happening, why am I blocking my soulmate to come to me, I will give you a remedy as well so that you can unblock those things. Rituals, it's very important that you know this, that April 27th is full moon. It is a time perfect for manifesting anything or removing any blockages from your life. So I have two kinds of rituals available. One is bay leaf ritual and one is blockage removal ritual. You can do both or you can do any one of them. One is that will remove any blockages from any area of your life. For example, you have been stuck for a very long time, promotion is not happening, love is not getting into your life, or health is not improving, not getting the fame, right? Or negativity is too much in your life, any sort of problems, you need blockage removal ritual. Bay leaf ritual is a ritual, a one-time manifestation ritual, which I do on your behalf, right? So you give me your manifestation, you don't know how to do manifestation, I will do it for you. However, blockage removal ritual is performed by you and it is easy, positive affirmation. One day someone was asking me if I am from a different religion, can I do that? Yes, because these are simple positive affirmation that you do any which ways, right? This is not a complicated ritual. You will not need any ingredients specifically, just you and your positive energies and the right ritual for you, right? Because each one of us is blocking our own destiny in some way. So what is it that you are blocking, right? So this will be specified for you. I will be using a different deck for that. I will be taking the guidance of your angels to tell you what is it exactly that you are blocking so that it can help you. Last but not the least, my personal readings start at rupees 170 rupees. That's the cheapest format, typed and audio recording. If you're looking for video calls and audio calls, that is also available on my channel for half an hour and 1 hour. And last but not the least, spiritual and counseling session is also available. People who think that they need therapy, any friend or their family need therapy, somebody to talk to, somebody who can guide them, whether that's love or any area of your life. They are just stuck or in the negative zone for a very long time. They do not have any person to talk to, they do not have any friends or trusted family members, then you can come to me. I will be your mentor, I will be your guide, and I will divinely again use the angels help to divinely guide you, give you a remedy and help you stay positive throughout, right? This is a session that you can take multiple times, as many times as you feel like talking to someone. So please share this video with anyone you think needs help, needs the correct guidance. It could be that they're talking to their friends but then they're not getting the correct guidance, or people are toxic and they do not have their or your best interest. You can come to me. Please note that everything, that conversation, the readings, the rituals that happen between us stays between us. Okay, it is not leaked, it is a secret. So you can trust me with your burdens and your secrets. Tell me anything that you want. You will not be judged. You will not, this will not go out from there. So you can trust this channel. Trust is, and privacy and secrecy is also of top priority here. So that is why you can trust me and book any session. So please, you can also know the different prices and services available, like packages as well for different people. If I haven't already mentioned that, you can email me on the given email ID which is mentioned in my description box and my bio. It's Astha Sharma 842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on Instagram as well, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, as I post all such details on my channel on a daily basis. Prices, rituals, when is the perfect time to do, when not to do, all these things. Okay, so you will be updated. And if any discount is going on, then yes, that too, like there is a discount going on, or any new services have been added, then yes, that too. So please like, share and subscribe and follow my channel here as well as on Instagram. Okay, I hope you guys resonated. I hope you guys subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my channel and I will see you soon. Bye bye.